Looking to wake up your B48 without compromising drivability? Then AWE has you covered with their G2X exhaust suite. It's 50 state emissions legal and available in 2 flavors, the Touring Edition or the Track Edition Axleback, each engineered specifically for coupe and sedan configurations. Touring Edition features AWE's patented 180 technology designed to eliminate drone while cruising. Track Edition keeps things raw and lightweight. Both deliver dyno-verified gains of up to 8 horsepower and 10 pound-feet of torque at the wheels.
Yeah, this is much more my speed. Touring, you get the exhaust note when you want it. It sounds nice and aggressive. But when you're cruising, you're driving, you don't hear it a ton. You can hear it a little bit. You know, you get a smidge when you're driving. That's the right level of loud. No downpipe. This is Track's the way to go for sure. Not too loud, has some good noise. Got no music, so I can hear it a lot. But if you play some music, you know, it's not going to drown out everything I'm listening to. Like, this is a good balance. I like this.
Built from CNC mandrel bent 3-inch US source T304 stainless steel with a straight-through design for maximum performance and tone, this exhaust is ready to go. The Track Edition tips the scales at just 17 pounds. Touring comes in at 30.5, and both undercut the 34.5 pound factory exhaust. Dual 4.5-inch tips finish it off, available in chrome, silver, or diamond black. A valve simulator bracket is also included, and the OEM sleeve clamp lets you return to stock without hassle if needed. Backed by AWE's Perfect Fitment Guarantee, No CEL Guarantee, and a lifetime warranty, the G2X isn't just louder, it's smarter. Get your AWE exhaust at Eurotuning.com today.